The Day of the Dead, or Dia de los Muertos, is a vibrant celebration of life, memory, and family. With its bold colors, symbolic decor, and joyful energy, it's one of the most visually beautiful traditions in the world. Whether you're decorating for a home altar, a classroom, or a themed gathering, these ideas will help you bring meaning and color into every corner of your space. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. How can I create a beautiful ofrenda altar? Layer a table with colorful cloth, framed photos of loved ones, marigolds, candles, pan de muerto, and small keepsakes. Add papel picado along the front for movement and color. The altar is the heart of the celebration, creating an altar space like this if yours is taking shape. Are skulls just for looks, or do they have meaning? Sugar skulls, calaveras, honor loved ones and represent the beauty of life and death. Use decorative skulls made of ceramic, paper, or real sugar. Personalize with names or patterns for extra meaning. Decor with purpose, like this if you're adding calaveras. Are there DIY crafts that add personal touches? Yes, make paper marigolds, sugar skull masks, or mini altars in shadow boxes. Paint clay skulls or frame meaningful quotes. Handmade details show love and connect you more deeply with the tradition. Crafting from the heart? Like this if you're going hands-on. Can I use real flowers in my setup? Yes, fresh marigolds are traditional and symbolic. Their scent is said to guide spirits home. Use them in vases, garlands, or scattered on altars. Silk or paper versions also work for longer display. Blooms with meaning? Like this if flowers are in your plan. How can I make it kid-friendly while respectful? Use bright colors, cartoon skulls, craft kits, and family-friendly music. Let kids decorate picture frames or color sugar skull pages. Teach them the meaning while keeping it light and joyful. Celebrating with the little ones? Like this if family is your why. How can I use papel picado creatively? Hang it across windows, doorways, or along altars. Choose designs with skeletons, skulls, and florals. Layer different colors and shapes to create a festive, flowing look that dances in the breeze. Love decorative details? Tap like if papel picado brings joy. What about decorating walls or photo spaces? Create a backdrop with bright fabrics, skull garlands, and flowers. Add a bench or chair for photos. It's a great way to honor loved ones and snap memories while dressed in traditional colors. Designing a space to gather? Tap like for this festive idea. What are the most recognized symbols to decorate with? Use marigolds, cempasúchil, papel picado, sugar skulls, and candles. These represent life, remembrance, and light guiding the spirits. Each one carries deep meaning, so mix them with care and purpose. Honoring tradition with beauty? Tap like if this resonates. What other decor elements can I add for texture? Use embroidered fabrics, painted pottery, and woven baskets. These add richness and celebrate Mexican craftsmanship. Texture makes your setup feel warm, personal, and deeply rooted. Love layered textures? Like this if you're all about detail. What should I include for the senses? Decorate with items that represent smell and taste, like incense, traditional foods, or fruit. Use cinnamon sticks, dried oranges, or coffee beans in small bowls. This adds depth and soul to the experience. Scent memory is magic? Like this if that detail moved you. What type of lighting sets the mood? Use soft candlelight, string lights, or lanterns. Flickering flames symbolize the eternal cycle of life. Opt for warm, inviting glows that make the space feel sacred and peaceful. Lighting with meaning? Like this, if candles are part of your setup. The Day of the Dead is a reminder that remembrance can be joyful, artistic, and healing. With meaningful decor and heartfelt details, your space can honor life, history, and spirit, all while creating beauty. Inspired by these traditions? Like and subscribe for more soulful ideas.